Всем привет, друзья! Здравствуйте еще раз. Hello, guys! Right now I want to show you the municipality of city Chiclayo, Peru. I'm heading 200 kilometers more south. And here you can see the flag of Peru, municipality, city council. Here you can see the main church, Cathedrale, and my friend, yes, my friend Carlos, and main square, Armor Square. This name have old main squares in Peru. For some reasons, because here was many centuries ago, was army barracks. So that's why all main squares have a name, Armor Square or Weapon Square, something like that. It's very beautiful, very nice. Some people dancing, sometimes people singing here, relaxing, selling something. This girl like to dance, for example. What else? Here probably fountains. There fontanas, yes. Right now they're not working. Here probably flags, banderas. Okay, flags. Main square with a nice trees. Let me show you the trees. Here it was historical building. Before it was a hotel. Right now is shops, luxury shops. Look at these funny trees. You see this funny tree? Very funny, like a man who cleaning the garden. And other nice beautiful trees you can see here, like this one, I don't know what is it. It's probably a symbol of some animal. Interesting symbol. Okay. And very beautiful park, Central Square, Plaza Principal, Plaza de Armas, Weapon Armor Square in English. И центральный собор, Central Cathedral Church in Chiclayo City. Very old and beautiful. You can see here some monuments, statues, and all nice old architecture. So here you can see that 200 years ago was independence, 28th of July in 1821. Nice. Okay. Here you can see the Quechua language, the language of aborigines, indigenous people, language of Indians, Quechua, and of course here the Spanish. City Council, городской совет, мэрия, Municipalidad is written here. Municipalidad. Policia. A nice building. Very beautiful building. Central Cathedral Church. Nice. It's open. It's still open. Still working. So they have a service these days, 1st and 2nd of June they have a service, evening service. Very funny, this girl have a white hat, modern hat, very funny, and it's written like they have a special event, special service here. That's very stupid thing. They don't allow me to shoot, to record inside of the church. Короче, запрещено снимать внутри церкви. Вот здесь написаны правила. It is forbidden. Maybe it's forbidden to. Ah, no, it's not forbidden. So right now we can see from here old church. The people are praying. It's Catholic church. Big and beautiful. Okay. Next time we're gonna shoot it on a hidden camera. Don't worry. And right now I have a shorts, so I don't have a proper dress code. Old theater, old cinema theater. Cinema or theater? Cinema. Cinema hall, old and empty and abandoned. Nada aquí, no trabajo aquí. Ahora.
Cine Tropical.
Cine Tropical.
Cinema.
So here we can see the name Cinema Hall Tropical. Okay. Cocina Chiclayana. Chiclayo is the name of the city. So here is written the food of local region. Okay. And Trebol is the name of junction, like the name of the leaf plant. So we can see some Papa Francisco, Argentinian Papa, San Martin de Porres. Okay, I have. Okay, guys. Right now we can see some Peruvian saint persons. This is San Martin de Porres. He is from Peru, the saint person. And Santa Rosa de Lima, she is also from Перу. В общем, это святые из Перу. И вот этого я видел, Сан-Мартин-де-Поррес, видел в Эквадоре, у него была церковь своя. В Гуаякиле его церковь. This guy had a church in Guayaquil, near with my place. Guys, let me tell you farewell and thank you for watching. Here is again the main square of this beautiful city. 750,000 people living here, approximately. It's one of the biggest cities in this country, where is living 35 million people. Main square, Armor or Weapon Square. Also, it has another name. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, give me a like, write me nice comments, share this video with your friends. Make the bell in a black color. Phone booth, and share this video with your friends. Write me nice comments, please. Thank you for watching, and push the button subtitles if you want to see subtitles, or if you want to see Russian subtitles. Друзья, если вы хотите увидеть русские субтитры, нажмите на кнопочку вверху справа. Возможно, вам Google сделает субтитры на русском языке. Ну, надеюсь, что вы приблизительно все поняли. Всем спасибо за просмотр. Увидимся на краю света. Еще раз Кафедральный собор. Thank you for watching, guys. See you at the end of the world.